that by next week, maybe around Wednesday, you try to submit all the assignments. Okay, and I think we gave you one a day off on Wednesday, and tomorrow also you will not get any assignments. So take your own time and try to finish the assignments. Okay. Now I think some of you have given some queries. We will see that queries also. And normally, whenever we are having it in the face-to-face, we used to have inauguration, and we used to have validatory function and all. But being an online course, we can have only validatory, and we will try to have the validatory either on Monday or Tuesday. Normally, in the validatory function, some of you have to come and give your comments or give your opinion about the course. How do you feel, and maybe your impression about the course. Now, I think normally we will have maximum 3 or 4 people only, because we don't want to extend it, because our Honorable Deputy Commissioner Sir and Director, he will be attending that validatory function, and he will be addressing you also. But we don't want to stretch it. But I want to get some names. It is a mandatory, or you can voluntarily you can give your name. You have to give your impressions about the course. How do you felt it? And if you give some points also, how to improve it also, it is welcome. But it is a one chance for you to give your impressions. Can I have your names, please?
Yes, sir. आप मेरा नाम लिख सकते हैं.
I think Ramesh, कौन से स्कूल है?
सर ये केंद्रीय विद्यालय ट्रिपल आईटी जलवा इलाहाबाद, डॉक्टर कमलाकांत यादव.
आपका नंबर क्या है? सीरियल नंबर क्या है? रोल नंबर क्या है?
3.
रोल नंबर 3. अच्छा, you are Kamalakant Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have noted down. Anybody else? I think you can give your impression. You can tell how you felt it and what are the difficulties you faced. So actually, it will help us to do it for the other regions also. Over 23 regions are left out apart from your Varanasi. We are going to start it by next week for the remaining regions. Anybody else who is ready to give your impression? And that time I will send it through your WhatsApp and email. It may be on Monday or it may be on Tuesday based on the availability of our director, sir. Can I have any other name? Those who can give your impressions. Yes. Except Mr. Kamalakant Yadav. Is there anybody else? Yes.
हेलो.
राजकुमार.
हाँ सर, मेरा नाम भी लिख दीजिए.
राजकुमार. आपका रोल नंबर क्या है राजकुमार?
यस सर.
रोल नंबर क्या है?
22 sir.
22. Oh, Mr. TGT Library from. Okay. Okay. I have noted down. Anybody else? I think we will move on to our queries which you have asked.
Yes, sir. Myself, Satyendra Kumar.
Satyendra Kumar. Can you tell your roll number, please, so that I can
43, sir.
Identify. Huh?
43.
I think 33.
Yes, sir.
Satyendra Kumar from
Mankapur.
Yes. Mankapur?
Yes, sir.
TGT PNHE. Okay. I think well and good. I think 3 people have given your name. I have noted down also. Well, friends. I think these are the only my announcements. I am telling you once again. Tomorrow there won't be any quiz and assignments. Enjoy your Sundays. And if there is anything left out, please try to finish it. And we can understand that seeing 5 videos or 4 videos continuously on the same day, that also engaging the students from morning to afternoon, then doing it. It may not be easy that much. Therefore, we are planned to give you in between 2 days off, But yesterday we gave you off for relaxing, and tomorrow also there won't be any quiz and assignment. Monday will be the last quiz and assignment. That is very easy. One more software is going to come. That is called H5P. In that I have given you only maximum 3 assignments. Only 3 assignments are there maximum. Okay, 3 worksheets you have to make it. But remember that this is not the end of it. There are so many softwares available. But the main problem about this course is, as in the first day itself I told you, this course contains a variety of teachers. Maths is there, physics is there, chemistry is there, English is there, Hindi is there. Therefore, we cannot pinpoint to a particular software, this is for maths, this is for physics, like that. Or we have made it in such a way that if something, if a door is open for you, it is a curtain raiser and you have to explore. But remember friends, your job is after this, maybe after this week, after everything is over, maybe by the 3rd week of September, you have to plan for training your own teachers, maybe in your cluster or something like that. For that, I think you can use Google Classroom. How to use the Google Classroom, how to go about it, I think some of you may be knowing it. If those who are not knowing it, you will get the videos by Monday. I have devised 3 videos. One is how to open a course in Google Classroom, then how to upload your content in the Google Classroom, and the third one is how to receive the assignments and how to grade the assignments in Google Classroom. So that if you see all that videos, which is maximum 9 minutes only, but I think you will get an idea. But remember that we are here to help you out. Suppose if you are planning for any program for your teachers, if you got stuck anywhere, then you can come back to us. Okay, now I will try to answer the questions which are posed by your teachers. Now I am presenting my screen. These are the questions. Is it Mr. Sudhir Sinha is available? Mr. Sudhir Sinha?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you, bhai. I think he wants to view the scores of the students. Not possible. Question number 1. How we can view the scores of the student in JQuiz or JClose? You cannot see it, only the student can see. I think even in the video itself, I have told that this is only for practice, not for assessment. Therefore, if you want to assess a child in quiz, suppose if you want to assess the whole class in quiz, the best way is use Google form, which is converted into quiz, or quiz.com. There what really happening is the child, actually he enters your particular one, whatever the sheet you have given, he is entering with a code or with his name he is entering, then it is getting registered. But in these hard potatoes, you may be wondering to know that when it was having that hotpotatoes.net, there was one website where these hot potatoes, whatever the sheet which you are giving, उसको आपने बच्चों का साथ लिंक कर सकते थे, बट वो जो है ना विथड्रॉ हो चुका है. मतलब हार्ड पोटैटोस का दैट पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट बंद हो चुका है. आई थिंक करीब 6 महीना के पहले वो बंद हो गया. इसलिए जे क्विज और जे क्लोज इट कैन बी यूज्ड ओनली फॉर प्रैक्टिस. आपने बच्चों को खत्म होने के बाद प्रैक्टिस के लिए दे सकते हैं. सपोज मान लीजिए आपने बच्चों को क्लास में कैसे करवा देंगे, इट इज आल्सो वेरी इजी. You can call a particular child and ask him to do it. Then and there you can note down on a piece of paper what the mark he has got. Suppose if you want to have a record of the quiz which he has done, then there is one way is do it with the Google form converted into quiz. You know that automatically आपका जो कितना mark मिलता है वो एक Excel, sorry, not Excel worksheet, is a Google sheet. Google sheet में आकर आपको मिल जाएगा. Then another question in Google form, how we can segregate marks for question answer partially correct. Google फॉर्म में डायरेक्टली ये नॉट पॉसिबल है. आपने डायरेक्टली अपनी नॉर्मल मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ले रहे हो, उसमें यू कैन गिव ओनली 0.0, 0.1, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. बट देयर इज वन मोर वे. ये मैं आपको ये दिखा रहा हूं मैंने आपको, बट दिस इज वेरी एक्चुअली हाईली टीडियस. ये आपको ना यू हैव टू गो फॉर वन मोर ऑप्शन कॉल्ड चेक बॉक्स ग्रिड. देयर इज अ वन मोर ऑप्शन कॉल्ड चेक बॉक्स ग्रिड. बट आपने एक्स में क्या करना है, हर रो में जाके क्वेश्चन डालना पड़ेगा. लिटिल बिट टीडियस, बट एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, 1 minute, somebody is joining. Okay, now this little bit actually a tedious, Therefore, if there are more than one answers are possible, if the child is answering both of them, he will get the full marks. So this question, you have to go for check box grade. I think I have showed you that also here. Then another one is how to share the HTML file on WhatsApp. It is very simple. आपको तो HTML फाइल को WhatsApp में अटैचमेंट में भेज सकते हैं. मान लीजिए मैं आपको अभी दिखा देता हूं. I'll just show you. Somewhere I will have some hot potatoes. Let me check out. Maybe somewhere it should be. Is that there? Okay. Now remember that all of you know that the hot potatoes का only .html file. ये .html file है ना, only that cut should be shared with the children. For example, ये जो है ना, ये पूरा जो HTML file है, देखिए HTML पूरा HTML. How to identify that HTML file? It will have the icon of your browser. मैं कौन से ब्राउजर यूज कर रहा हूँ? Google Chrome. इसलिए Google Chrome का पूरा देखिए Google Chrome का है. बट इधर देखिए इसमें इतना आइकॉन है, ये डिफरेंट है. आपका मैश्ड के लिए एक आइकॉन है, क्विज के लिए एक आइकॉन है, प्लेज के लिए एक आइकॉन है, .jmx के लिए एक आइकॉन. आइकॉन डिफर होता है, कलर में डिफर होता है. मतलब सब में आलू है बट फिर भी कलर डिफरेंट है. बट रिमेंबर, इसको बच्चों को आप नहीं दे पाएंगे, देना ही नहीं है. सपोज इफ यू आर हैविंग दिस hot potato file which you have put it in a particular folder, इसको आपने WhatsApp में you can simply attach it, नॉर्मल अटैचमेंट फाइल जैसे. ठीक है, इसको आप अटैच कर लीजिए. यू कैन सी इसका तो साइज देखने से आपका 38 किलोबाइट है, सब किलोबाइट में है. आजकल किलोबाइट का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, आपको भी मालूम है. अब कोई भी तो जा करके इफ यू आर परचेसिंग एनी कंप्यूटर और एनीथिंग, उन लोग ही बोलते हैं सर 4 GB का रैम है और 1000 GB का स्टोरेज है. इसलिए आजकल तो KB का कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. So these are all only KB. Now a child, if he gets this particular file, you know that whenever we are getting any file in WhatsApp, we will simply open it. If you open it, it will open in the any browser. It will open. I think for practice, what you do is, आपने तो अभी भी कोई भी HTML फाइल आपने किया होगा ना, आपका फ्रेंड को WhatsApp में भेज दीजिए, भेजकर उसको बोल दीजिए भैया इसको कॉल कर देख लो कैसे आ रहा है करके.
सर भेजा तो वो गूगल डॉक्स के फॉर्म में दिखा रहा है, तो और वो कोडिंग
नहीं वो मुझे पता है. That is actually, remember, I think I am to tell you that the idea is very simple. Suppose when you are typing it on a MS Word, you are opening it in MS Word. Is it okay? Yes, suppose sir. If you want to open a file in browser, that file का extension HTML होना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये hot potato क्या करता है, आपने whatever you are doing it here, that is देखिए ये मैं ओपन करके दिखा देता हूँ आपको. Just I have taken one JMX file. ये JMX file को converting it into a HTML file is not easy by you. You have to do a lot of coding. But this software, what it does the coding by itself and it is automatically converting it. That's all. ठीक है, वो आपको तो दिख रहा है ना, आपने डाक में ओपन करके देख रहे हो ना, ज्वाइन हो गया करके, वो पूरा जो है कोडिंग है. उसके बारे में आप चिंता मत करिए. ये फाइल को डायरेक्टली किसी ने ब्राउजर में ओपन किया, ऑफलाइन में काम करता है, बस. वेरी इजी. ओके, आई थिंक दिस ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन is answered. Okay, let me go to the next question by Mr. Librarian, Mr. Raju. If you have the link of, I think this was actually one or two teachers had a discussion with me. Remember friends, the question is very simple. If you have the link of a particular video, you can see only the video. अब वीडियो का नीचे मान लीजिए उसका कुछ लोगो वगैरह होता है, उसको क्लिक कर दिया तो you can go to that. This won't. But remember, I think some of you please थोड़ा आपका माइक को थोड़ा म्यूट कर दीजिए. Thank you. Okay. Suppose if I make my video which I have made into public, then anybody can see it. Suppose if I make it into a private, then I have to give the link to it. Therefore, generally, if you are having the link of a video, you cannot go and see all the videos available in the channel. Whatever made public, you can see it. But the question which I asked was very simple. I want to just to tell you that the link of a video in an YouTube is different from the link of the channel. Even उसका तो configuration है ना, वो तो क्या वो structure बोलते हैं ना, structure maybe you can see the difference. Okay. Then Mr. Avinesh Prakash, you are available. Aveshesh Prakash, you are available. Okay. He is just asking, is there any option to type mathematical equation in hot potatoes? I think this is a very big question by all maths teachers. I am also a maths teacher. Typing maths equation is very, very difficult apart from MS Word, because we are used to that. But for typing in mathematical equation in hot potatoes and all, we have to go for LaTeX, LaTeX, LaTeX. Okay, now I will just to show you that. I think I will just to close it. Let me just to show you only very simple one. I think I will go for these hot potatoes. In that, I will open one JQuery. Okay, only one I will show because I don't want to waste much time in that. Okay, now here you see, I think in the title I will type demo, and I will save it. It is got saved. Why I am just saving it? Remember, if you are not saving it, okay, if you are not saving it, then you can't do any insert in that. Okay, that is why I'm saving it. That is, I think I have explained it there also. Okay, question 1, I will just write find the sum. Okay, anything, some I am just doing, or find percentage sometime I am asking. Here in question number 1, I want to have a fraction. Suppose 4 by 5, I can type like this. Now my friend asked me to how to go for it. Remember, in the Google, what you do is, you type LaTeX equation, LaTeX online equation. It will open. There is a online LaTeX equation creator is available there. The website is codecox.com. This is only for maths teachers. You see here you can type a lot of maths equation. I think आपको ये मालूम है क्योंकि आपने you are using it in equation editor also. You see this is will be power वाला हो जाएगा. ये जो अच्छा ये तो sigma वाला है. This is a power वाला है. ठीक है. I will take a very simple one. I will take this yeah baby. Okay. Now inside the bracket you have to type. For example, 4 by 5. For example. Okay. Now here it has come here as 4 by 5. Now you have to download it as image, and I think it has got downloaded. Now what you have to go to this hot potatoes. Here I have to insert. Here cursor is here. Here I have to insert. Insert the picture from the local file. Normally आपको मालूम है ये downloads में जाकर के आ जाएगा. Therefore I'm just clicking it. Okay, I'm just clicking it. Okay. Okay. Now the next answer I'm putting it as 4. Next answer I'm putting it as 6. Next answer something I'm typing. Only here I want that fraction to come. Okay. Now let me show you how it has come now. Standard format. You know that this will be saved now. Save. Okay. Now I have to put this correct answer. I have to put. Sorry. I am saving it now. I am just showing you on the browser. You know that it will show it on the browser. It is not showing properly. There is a problem. Once again, I will do it. Achha, some problem is there with the coding, but this is the way to do it. But remember, friend, very difficult to type equations in maybe whether it is a quiz.com. Sorry, quiz.com it is very easy. It is in Google form and all. It is very difficult to type max equations. The one way of doing the max equation is you just to take the max equation in a PPT, convert it into a JPG, and then paste it. I think that particular person is not there. I don't know why he is not there. Okay, then Pradeep Shah, can I have the PPT or video? How to combine video to OpenShot through snapping? Is it Pradeep Shah? Is it Pradeep Shah there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Myself speaking. Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening. Now I will show you now. Pradeep Shah, I will show you. Okay, I have opened one OpenShot for you. इधर मैंने आपको दो वीडियो रखा हूं इधर, वीडियो नंबर 1 एंड वीडियो नंबर 2 दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
मैंने ये दोनों वीडियो को एक वीडियो करने वाला हूँ, ये बड़ा अलग अलग वीडियो है, इसको मैंने एक वीडियो करने वाला। मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया, whenever you want to do anything in OpenShot, अपने OpenShot में कुछ भी करना चाहते हैं, you have to put it in the track, you have to put it in the track, है ना? ट्रैक में डालना है। ठीक है, फर्स्ट वाला को मैंने ट्रैक में डाला, इसे डाल दिया, सेकंड वाला को भी इसके साथ साथ ट्रैक में डाल दिया, दोनों डाला है, नीचे दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is 1, this is 2. ये दो इंटरएक्टिव व्हाइट बोर्ड है, दिस इज व्हाइट बोर्ड है। अभी क्या करने वाला हूँ, दोनों को जोड़ने वाला हूँ। ये सिंपल क्या है? स्नैपिंग। स्नैपिंग, इसको स्नैपिंग को क्लिक करो, इसको ऐसे उठाकर इसके साथ करो, बस हो गया, स्नैपिंग हो गया। ठीक है, स्नैपिंग हो गया। देखिए अभी आपको दिख रहा है ना इधर एक ब्लू कलर का, इसका मतलब है दोनों जोड़ गया अभी। ओके, now if you want to just see it, suppose from here to here, suppose if you want to see from here to here, automatically it goes. Then आपको पता है दोनों को एक साथ select करके then you have to upload it. That's all very simple. It's called snapping. It's called snapping. Very simple. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, then again Mr. Sarfar Salam, you are available?
Yes, sir.
Sarfar Salam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have asked how to save file after linking unit prepared. Automatically वो सेव हो जाता है, आपको सेव नहीं हो रहा है क्या? Masher में डायरेक्टली सेव होता है यूनिट का. And 2 more free software which are mathematical. You see the video once again. It will automatically get saved. I think, let me see whether I am having it. If I am having it, I will show you. हाँ, ये वाला इंडेक्स करके सेव होगा, आपको सेव होगा इंडेक्स करके। देखिए ये इंडेक्स को ओपन करने से देखिए ये फर्स्ट वाला आ रहा है, नेक्स्ट वाला आ रहा है, नेक्स्ट वाला आ रहा है ना? इट विल बी गेट सेव्ड एज इंडेक्स, इसका नाम है इंडेक्स। देखिए ये सबका नाम जो है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट होता है, सिर्फ इसका नाम इंडेक्स है। इंडेक्स का नाम पर सेव होगा, इंडेक्स का नाम पर सेव होता है। ओके, वेल I think what is the next question you have asked? 2 more free software which mathematical friendly. एक GeoGebra है, एक ऑटोग्राफ है, दोनों फ्री है। आप थोड़ा ब्राउज करो, एक GeoGebra है, दूसरा है ऑटोग्राफ। एंड
how to make the quiz, sir?
हाँ, again I am telling you, quiz.com में पहले तो मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन टाइप करना बहुत मुश्किल था, अभी आसान कर दिया है। आपने quiz.com देखा है, उसमें किया कुछ?
Yes, sir.
मिस्टर आलम?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
हाँ, उसमें आपने इक्वेशन टाइप कर सकते हैं आराम से। मान लिया आपका इक्वेशन टाइप करने में बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है, then the only option is you have to convert it into an image and then paste it. Image pasting is available. You have to type it in a PPT. That PPT can be converted into a image. वो थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। Otherwise you have to go for this latex. मैंने आपको latex दिखाया ना, वो latex में जाना पड़ेगा। All are using only latex. Okay. Then one PRT, Mr. I have faced a problem. Is it Jitendra Kumar is there? Mr. Jitendra Kumar? I don't know. Yes, given that I faced problem in the first assignment in hyperlink. I don't know. Is it Ravi Prakash is there? Okay. Now he is
Yes,
asking.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
सर वो मैशर वाला अपने आप बन जाता है सर, देखिए मेरे बन गया ना, देखिए इंडेक्स करके वो अपने
अच्छा
आप
अच्छा, ये कहाँ इंडेक्स नाम से बनाया? अच्छा,
आपका कौन से फोल्डर है ना, वो कौन से फोल्डर में आपने पूरा किए थे, वो फोल्डर में आकर अपने आप बन जाएगा। देखिए मैंने बना, देखो
इंडेक्स नाम से बनेगा।
HTML अपने आप नाम देता है वो।
यस सर, मैं भी देख ले रहा हूँ। मैं एक्चुअली इंडेक्स नहीं देख पाया था।
इंडेक्स देखिए ना,
मुझे
मैं
लगा
आपको
था
देखिए, आप दिख रहा हूँ, देखिए ये 3 है ना, 3 आगे देखो, 1 आफ्टर द अदर आ रहा है ना।
यस सर, हाँ
1 आफ्टर द अदर अपने आप आ जाएगा वो। एक्चुअली मैशर जो है ना, ये आइडिया क्या है मैशर का, बच्चों को ना एकदम उसने सिर्फ क्विज, गैप फिलिंग एक ही टॉपिक में करने से ना अच्छा लगता है बच्चों का। इसलिए तो ये मैशर का आइडिया क्या है, मान लीजिए गैप फिलिंग, क्रॉसवर्ड सभी एक ही टॉपिक में करने से बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, क्योंकि बार बार सेम टॉपिक को बार बार जानकारी। बोलिए सर प्लीज।
यस, एक्चुअली क्या हुआ ना कि मैं उसी नाम से खोज रहा था जिस नाम से फाइल बनाया था।
नहीं,
वो कहीं दिखाई,
वो अपने आप लेता है, वो इंडेक्स के नाम पर ही आएगा।
I got it, sir. I got it.
Index.html. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I got it. Thank you, sir.
You got it? Thank you. Anything else? I think here he has written no. Hey, Rajkumar Jaiswal, don't present.
One more question, sir. I have.
Please.
Hello.
बोलिए sir, बोलिए.
Sir, I'm Ravi Prakash. Ravi Prakash, yes, sir. Earlier talked to you. Actually, when we are creating a master file, all the components are not being displayed. Only 3 components are being displayed: quiz, gap filling, and match capitals log matching. Only 3 are available, and rest are not available.
अच्छा, वो दूसरा वाला में थोड़ा सा कोडिंग का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, फिर बार देख लेना। That is
वो इंडेक्स फाइल में जो आ रहा है ना, रन करा रहे हैं तो वहाँ नहीं आ रहा।
ब्लैंक दिख रहा है।
यस सर, ब्लैंक दिख रहा है वो वहाँ पर।
अच्छा, उसमें थोड़ा सा कोडिंग का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है।
अच्छा,
फिर एक बार बना दीजिए। ओके, आई थिंक मिस्टर दिनेश कुमार सिंह अवेलेबल?
यस सर।
Okay. Actually, see, 1 minute. Somebody is joining. I will give permission and come back. Okay. Actually, this Audacity is recently introduced, and Audacity was actually recorded by some other teacher. But I know little bit about that because I am not using Audacity. Audacity is being highly useful for English teachers because you know that in English they want that. Listening is one of the very great skill in English. Therefore, they want that Audacity is a better software for them. I think you are just telling that how to reduce background sound of music.
Yes, sir.
Okay, while recording in laptop, the mic record even sound of fan of the laptop. Also, some good mic for recording voice. Okay, for this I am having one video. I will send it to you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Tutorial is there. You go through it. There is a way to reduce the background sound also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send it to you.
Okay.
I think
Thank you, sir.
I have cleared all the queries I have received. Let me refresh it once again so that is there anything which you received now? No.
Okay.
I think Mr. GK Verma has given not applicable. Okay. Well, friends, I think with that, whatever the question I received through that, this one I am able to answer. Okay. Is there any other question which you want to ask? You can ask.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please, Mr. Pradeep. बोलिए, प्रदीप शाह।
सर, अगर बाय मिस्टेक हमने हॉट पोटैटोस की जो ओरिजिनल फाइल है उसको हमने सेव नहीं किया, तो क्या कोई ऑप्शन है जिसको रिकवर कर सके?
नहीं है, फिर करना ही पड़ेगा।
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू।
इसलिए मैंने आपको बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, कोई भी फाइल बना रहे हो, कोई भी कर रहे हो, सिर्फ एक ही बनाओ, बस हो गया। Having time, you can do it. Is it Archana wants to tell something?
सर मुझे भी ये हॉट पोटैटोज को फाइल को यूज करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। मैशर एक्चुअली वर्क नहीं कर रहा है और मुझे बच्चों को
measure sometime it may not take all your worksheet because of some coding problem. Leave it, whatever comes here, it's only for find out. I am in the assignment, that is why I didn't ask you to give the link of the measure. You might have seen. Okay, in the assignment, what I asked you to do it is in the
Sorry sir, I'm not able to hear you.
can you hear me now?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, madam, actually the measure may not take all the exercises, maybe due to some coding problem. Therefore, I have not asked you to submit your measure file. What you have to do is, already you have done quiz, and already you have done the, I think, close, I think it was fill in the blanks. And today you have done 3. All the 5, simply take the HTML file, put it in a folder, put it in your Google Drive and give me the link. That's all. Actually, the main idea of giving this is, this HTML file only you have to give it to the children. I want you to understand the difference between the file extension .jmx and .html. You should know the difference. That is why I am just asked you only to give me the HTML file, put it in a folder. This folder, what you can do is, you can share it with your children. They can download the HTML file in their computer and they can practice it. Any other doubt?
सर
Yes, madam. Rachana, madam, please.
हाँ सर, ये जो मैं कल जे क्विज वाला जो आपने दिया था, फाइल को जब रन करवा रहे थे तो वो फाइल रन नहीं हो रही थी, फोटोशॉप की तरह खुल रही थी।
क्या?
फोटोशॉप एज अ फोटोग्राफ्स खुल रहा था सर, HTML फाइल रन नहीं हो रही थी।
I can understand the problem because for me it is running in my this one. I don't know.
हाँ सर, जैसे आपका रन होता है क्विज तो 1 by 1 क्विज हम करते हैं, वैसे हमारे मन एज अ फोटोग्राफ्स को हो रहा था और फोटोशॉप खुल जा रहा था।
Photoshop खोल रहा है because I cannot understand the problem. But actually, have you saved it as HTML file?
यस सर, मैंने आपको दोनों ही फाइल इसलिए भेज दी थी।
When you create the web page in the standard format, immediately it will ask you to give a name to it. Okay, file name. In that file name, don't give any extension.
यस सर, मैं कोई एक्सटेंशन नेम नहीं
दिया। extension, don't give any extension. Dot something, you should not be there. Simply give a name. For example, quiz number 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, quiz 4, like that.
Yes, I do it. मैं ऐसा ही कर रही थी।
Simply save it. And actually here the interesting thing is, whenever you are saving it, automatically it will tell you view the exercise in my browser. Is it not coming?
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था। मैं ब्राउजर पे जैसे ही क्लिक कर रही थी, वो एज अ फोटोग्राफ और फोटोशॉप खुल जा रहा था मेरे सिस्टम पे, और एज अ फोटोग्राफ खुल रहा था। जैसे आपका है क्विज, आप अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, हमारे में ऐसा नहीं, फोटोग्राफ एज अ फोटोग्राफ शो हो रहा है।
I cannot understand actually what is the problem.
सर, मैंने आपको फोटोग्राफ्स इसकी भेजी भी है।
क्या उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा है क्या?
यस सर, स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा है दोनों ही फाइलों का। दोनों के साथ यही प्रॉब्लम।
व्हाट्सएप में
नहीं सर, हमने वहाँ पे लिंक किया है, ड्राइव पे लिंक करके, और मैंने उसका पूरा फोल्डर ही शेयर कर दिया आपको, उसके फोटोग्राफ्स, दो फोटोग्राफ्स।
देख लेता हूँ। I will see it. What actually what the problem? I will come back to you.
Okay.
हेलो
मैडम, लॉट ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस इज देयर।
हेलो, हाँ सर,
बोलिए अर्चना मैडम।
हाँ मैं ये कह रही हूँ सर, जैसे अदर सॉफ्टवेयर पे आपने काम करना बताया, उसमें कुछ लिंक, कुछ कोड जनरेट होता है जो बच्चों को हम शेयर कर देते हैं, बट हॉट पोटैटोज पे हम वो चीज नहीं शेयर कर पा रहे हैं बच्चों को। कैसे?
HTML फाइल को शेयर कर लीजिए ना, दे कैन डाउनलोड इट। दैट्स व्हाई टोली, व्हाट्सएप में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, कंप्यूटर में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, ईमेल में डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।
ओके,
That
Thanks.
HTML
Thanks, sir.
file, it is having only kilobyte.
Okay.
But they can download, and in the this one when they click it in their mobile they can do it. That's what I'm telling. आपने एक बार आपका friend को एक HTML file को by WhatsApp भेज दीजिए, उसको download करके
Okay.
चलाने के लिए बोल दीजिए. Then you will understand. Ask your
Okay.
friend to send the HTML file to you. Then only you can understand that how a child will see it. बच्चों को कैसे
Okay.
पता? Because
Okay.
this is actually
Okay.
HTML file which will run in any browser.
Okay.
That also offline. That is an interesting thing is offline. मतलब कंप्यूटर में आप काम करने के समय पर नेट का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, सीधा देख पाएंगे.
Okay.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
दिनेश कुमार सिंह, बोलिए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर PowerPoint प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान जो है,
हाँ.
जब मैं उसमें लिखने के लिए कोई आसान तरीका आप बता सकते हैं सर प्लीज?
क्या
PPT
PowerPoint
प्रेजेंट
में क्या करना है, लिखना है?
यस सर.
प्रेजेंटेशन रन करने के समय पर?
यस सर. यस सर.
तो मैं अभी दिखा देता हूँ.
माउस से लिखना बड़ा कठिन होता है सर, लेकिन
माउस में एक्चुअली रिमेंबर फॉर यू it depends on the laptop or whatever you are using. See, for the laptop which I am using, it is having that touch screen. There won't be any problem. But if you are not having that option, then the only problem is with your mouse only you can write. It depends on the screen which you are using.
Sorry sir?
The screen which you are using, for example, the monitor which you are using, उसमें भी लिखने का provision होना चाहिए. But there is one more software called Zoomit. There is one more software called Zoomit. Zoomit को download कर लीजिए. उसमें बहुत options है. There is a option for control 1. There is a option for control 2. In that you can write. There also याद रख लीजिए. Again you cannot write directly by your pen because आपका तो ये screen है ना, वो उसको recognize करना चाहिए.
Yes sir.
Screen recognize करना चाहिए. आपका मोबाइल है ना, वो रिकॉग्नाइज करता है, आपका हाथ में ऐसे ऐसे करता है, वो रिकॉग्नाइज करता है.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.
That you have to be a bit careful.
Okay.
My laptop is having it. Zoomit is a better one. Zoomit actually it can be put in your computer and it is having a lot of options. You can zoom it and you can write and annotate it. So many options are there, but you have to remember all the options while you are doing it. But
Thank you, sir.
Normal with your whenever the PPT is running, right click करने से इंक करके एक आएगा, उसे आप अंडरलाइन वाला सर्कल वाला कर सकते हैं माउस से. वो आता है ना?
वो तो ठीक है, वो तो आता है सर. वो
ठीक.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Thank you. Any other doubt?
Sir?
Yes, please, Mr. Satyendra Kumar.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Message is not opening in mobile.
अच्छा, maybe that index.html is not opening in mobile.
Yes, sir. You can see.
It should open. Is it normal HTML file is opening?
Yes, sir. Mobile.
Normal HTML file is opening. The measure one is not opening. I will check out because that also HTML should open. Should open. मैं देखता हूँ एक बार चेक कर देता हूँ. But I have not checked the measure so far. HTML file we have checked. We have checked it with the children also. We have checked it. वो open होता है. There are so many other softwares are also there. Interactive worksheets you can prepare. Liveworksheets.com, there is one website where you can prepare interactive worksheets. But थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. Free वाला मिलता है, but that may not serve your particular purpose. फिर आपका कैसे बच्चों से सवाल पूछना, you will be having your own ideas, but थोड़ा उससे हटके होता है. ठीक है. Any other doubt? Any other doubt, please? Okay, friends. I think one or two announcements. I think those who are submitting all the 6 assignments, you will be getting the e-certificate. For that e-certificate, you have to check your name and other particulars. I will be sending a Google Sheet by Monday. Okay, because you are very busy with your assignment, therefore I don't want to disturb you. By Monday, I will be sending one Google Sheet. In that Google Sheet, kindly check your name and other particulars in both English and Hindi. And then we will try to give you the e-certificate. E-certificate will be generated and will be sent to your mail. And please plan it now itself to help others in doing this course. मुझे मालूम है ये कोर्स आपको करने के लिए आपको सभी वीडियो का जरूरत पड़ेगा. ये सभी वीडियो का लिंक जो है ना एक MS Word और PDF फॉर्मेट में आपको मिल जाएगा. I will send it on Monday. आपने वो यूज करके you can do it in the Google Classroom. I don't know whether I think your region will be planning it. Then now you will be doing it, but we will be helping you. Don't worry. You have to train other teachers by making use of the same set of videos and other material. Any other doubt? If there is no doubt, then we will call it a day. और किसी को कुछ बताना है? Anybody wants to tell something? I think Mr. Gajendra, you want to tell something? Mr. Gajendra Kumar Verma? Jnanendra Kumar Verma, sorry. Yeah, Mr. Verma?
Yes, sir. Hello.
बोलिए, कुछ बताना है क्या?
नहीं सर, हो रहा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Thank you.
Thank you. I think order came for 24 regions, but you are the first region to do because we got the list early. We thought that wait to wait, therefore we have started immediately for you. The other regions are actually waiting. We will be starting for other regions maybe 6 at a time. By taking 6 at a time, we are starting it by next week, maybe by Wednesday. The content will be the same, but if there is any other idea that is apart from whatever you have seen, I will be sending in your WhatsApp group. इसलिए मैंने आपको बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, WhatsApp ग्रुप में अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो ज्वाइन कर लो. WhatsApp ग्रुप को मैं जिंदा रखूंगा, so that if there is any new video I am making, maybe may doing interactive worksheet, how to use Google form, how to use this and that, I will be sending it and I will be sharing it in your WhatsApp group. और आपने WhatsApp ग्रुप में रहने से आपका फायदा है. Yeah, that is very easy for me to send it through WhatsApp group instead of sending through your email and all. Okay, if there is nothing else to share, then we will call it a day. अब किसी को कुछ बताना है तो बता दीजिए. क्या वर्मा जी कुछ बताना है?
Sir, yesterday there were no exercises given to us.
Definitely. अरे भैया आपको मैंने एक दिन का छुट्टी दिया, नहीं चाहिए?
So sir, will the training continue tomorrow also?
नहीं, कल भी आपको छुट्टी दे रहा हूँ.
हाँ sir, that's all for sir. Today it is completed or it will continue for more days?
और एक बाकी है, आपको 6 असाइनमेंट है.
Okay, on Monday. I think on Monday.
हाँ, मंडे मिलेगा. मंडे इज द लास्ट असाइनमेंट.
Okay, thank you sir. Thank you.
मैंने थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करने के लिए सर से परमिशन लिया.
Okay, thank you.
मैं बोला मंडे टू सैटरडे करो. मैंने बोला अरे एक दिन बीच में दे देंगे so that you can relax.
चलिए sir, thank you.
Okay, if there is nothing else, we will call it a day, friends. Thank you for joining. Any problem in doing assignments, please call us. I am ready to help you out. Mr. Kamalkant Yadav, कुछ बताना है?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, भैया.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. We will try to meet on maybe Tuesday or Monday. If there is any valedictory function, I will get the permission from Director Sir. If he is free, then we will have a valedictory function in which Sir will be addressing you and he will be giving you some tips how to move it forward. But remember, we will give you tips for you to train the other teachers of your region also. I think with that we can close. If there is, I think Mr. Kushwaha.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji.